Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can use a function for multiple conditions. Here I want to use a function for grade my students. If a student get greater or equal to 9, I grade it with A. If he has a mark greater than or equal to 7, we use B. If it greater or equal to 6, we use C, otherwise we use D. How we can do it? First I want to delete this. From here, insert equal sign, then if. Click it. F final grade greater or equal to 9, comma, a student has greater or equal to 9, we use A for it. So double quotation, write A, then comma, write F again. F2, this cell is F2, so F2 greater or equal to 7 this time, comma, double quotation, we use B, double quotation, comma. If this criteria is not met, we need another if. If F2 greater or equal 6, comma, double quotation, C. We have only one criteria. If first criteria is not met, we use second criteria. If second criteria also is not met, third criteria. Otherwise, we have only the fourth criteria, which is D. Just write, comma, double quotation, D, double quotation. Now we have to finish the formula. Just first bracket, second bracket, and fourth. Hit enter. You see, since the grade for the student is 9, directly select A. Now drag the formula for the other students. You see here we have more than 6, it be C. For the second student, it has 6.75 degree, which is less than greater or equal to 6, directly select C. And for the third student, which is 5.75, smaller than 6, directly select D. And this one 7.75, greater than 7, directly select B. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.